What are the archetypes of the different types of service designers that exist? As with any job, there is not one type of service designer. In fact, there are many different ways of doing service design, and there are also different focuses of service design. So here are a few of the different types of service designers I've met over the years. The workshop nerd, the implementation nerd, the backstage nerd, the consultant, the educator, the design leader. There are service designers who really specialize in workshops. A lot of the work they do is about bringing people together in workshops and facilitating the work. Service designers make great workshop facilitators because they have a great understanding that the backstage people and the front stage people need to work together to create great experiences. Plus, service designers know that they are not the experts. They need to bring the different stakeholders together to create lovely experiences. The implementation service designer is the one who is focused on creating really the services and improving them. These are often service designers that you will find in-house, who are making sure that the services that the company provides continue to evolve in a good way. The backstage service designer. These are people who are focused on services that are hidden. These service designers know organizations, businesses, and processes really well. A lot of their work is about making work processes easier so that then services can be created for other people. The consulting service designer is one that jumps from project to project to project. With each project, he might take a very different role. In one project, he might be a workshop guy. In another, he might be more focused on the implementation stuff. And in another, more on the backstage stuff. These are the service designers who usually work in design agencies or big consultancies. The service design educator is one that brings service design into big organizations. Sometimes these people are also called design evangelists, and their work is to train, upskill, and set the foundations within organizations so that service design can happen. And then there are service designers who become design leaders. These people are managing a big group of designers and other specialists. Usually these people have a good level of seniority and are switching their career on making the things to managing the people who make the things.